Hello friends, welcome to the series of our channel. Welcome to Merchant of Venice. We were doing with Act 1 Scene 1. Hope you like my videos. If you do like my videos, then please like and share with your friends and do press the bell icon button. Friends, if you have any queries, you can drop it in the comment section and you can also give your feedback so that it will be an encouragement for me. Thank you friends. So let's proceed with the text. Yes friends, coming to line number 108 to 110, what Lorenzo has to say. He says that, well, we will leave you then till dinner time. I must be one of these same dumb wise men, for Gratiano never lets me speak. So he says that, Lorenzo says that, we will leave you till the dinner time. So we are leaving, that is Gratiano and Lorenzo are leaving. I must be one of these similar dumb wise men because Gratiano never lets me speak. So Lorenzo means to say that where Gratiano will be present, he will not let others speak. Other people will be like dumb men. So he says that in the company of Gratiano, I become like a dumb man because he never lets me speak. This is what is said by Lorenzo for Gratiano. Now Gratiano further says, what Gratiano has to say? Gratiano says, well, keep me company, but 2 years more, thou shalt not know the sound of thine own tongue. As we know that Gratiano is a comic character. Gratiano is of comic character. So he says that if you will be in my company, he is telling Lorenzo that if you will be in my company for 1 year, for 2 years or more, then you will definitely forget your own tongue. Means you will definitely forget your own voice because I will not let you speak. Only I will speak and you will listen to me. So this is what is said by Gratiano. Coming to Antonio in line number 113. Antonio says, farewell, I will grow a talker of this gear. Now he is saying, Antonio is saying, bye friends, I will become talkative. I will no more keep silent, or I will no more keep a melancholy mood or a sad mood. I will be talkative, or I will talk a little. So this is what is said by Antonio in line number 113. Let's move to line number 114, that is Gratiano's speech. Coming to Gratiano's speech, friends, in line number 114. Thanks, I faith, for silence is only commendable in a neat's tongue dried. He is thanking Antonio for accepting his advice, and he is saying that silence is only praised in an ox's tongue and not on your face. This is what is said by Gratiano. So here we see the exit of Gratiano and Lorenzo from the stage. Now what the scene is going on, they are exiting from the stage. That is, who are leaving? Gratiano and Lorenzo are leaving the stage. Now who is left on the stage? Antonio and Bassanio are left on the stage. What Antonio tells to his friend Bassanio? Antonio, is that anything now? Antonio says in line number 116, was that not nonsense? Means he is telling Bassanio that this Gratiano, all the time he talks nonsense. Whatever he told me or whatever he advised me, was there any sense? So this is what is said by Antonio to his friend Bassanio. Now coming to Bassanio in line number 117. What Bassanio says? But Bassanio says that Gratiano speaks an infinite deal of nothing more than any man in all Venice. His reasons are 2 grains of water of wheat hid in 2 bushels of chaff. You shall seek all day ere you find them, and when you have them, they are not worth the search. So this is what is said by Bassanio. Now what Bassanio means to say, means both these friends, Antonio and Bassanio, they are talking about Gratiano, that Gratiano all the time he talks nonsense, and when you out of those nonsense, only two statements you will find that are of worth, and by the time you find them that they are of worth, they become worthless. So this is what is explained by Gratiano. Once again I explain you. Gratiano speaks a great deal of nonsense, more than any man in Venice. Means not a single person in Venice you will find talking nonsense like like Graciano talks nonsense. So his speech is like 2 grains of good sense hidden in 2 bushels. As I explained you, that his 2 statements, out of the whatever nonsense he talked about, out of all that, 2 statements you will find worth. And so here it is saying 2 grains of good sense hidden in two bushels of nonsense. You will spend your entire day before you find them, and when you have them, they are not worth the search. So when you find them, that what sense he was talking, they become worthless or they become senseless. This is what is said by Bassanio in 117 to 122. They are talking, both these friends are talking about Graciano. Next, coming to Antonio's speech. So what Antonio tells here in line number 123, Antonio says that, well, tell me now, what lady is the same to whom you swore a secret pilgrimage that you today promised to tell me of? Now he says that, what Antonio means to say, well, tell me now, which lady is she to whom you promised to visit secretly that you today promised to tell me about? Now he is asking his friend Bassanio about that lady whom he promised to tell him. That is, and Bassanio promised Antonio that he will be telling about that lady to him today. Yes, so this is what is said by Antonio to his friend Bassanio. So this was the explanation from line number 82 to 125. Friends, if you have any queries, please drop it in the comment section and do give your feedback. Do give your feedback so that it will be an encouragement for me. Thank you.